Hello everyone. We have this percentage calculation problem with us. First of all, we will read the problem what is being said, right? So there is an examination in which many people participates. The person that we are interested in is named Meena, right? Now, how much Meena has scored? First of all, let us say Meena has scored 40% in the examination first, right? And after that, they have her paper reviewed, right? After her paper is reviewed, her score is increased by 20%, 20% or 20%, and then some marks she gets, and she still fails by 35 marks, right? It is still 35 short. But in her post review, if her marks increased by, sorry, one thing was wrong, this is not 20%, her marks was increased by 50%, right? And if her post review, if her marks again gets increased by 20%, then she will have plus 7 of her passing marks. That means she will pass the exam by 7 marks more than the passing score, right? Now what is being asked is the what is the passing percentage, right? What is the passing percentage? So that is the ask basically. Yeah. So let us assume the in the examination, the total marks, let us assume that the total marks is what will be X. Yeah. So in the beginning she scored 40%. So her score was 0.4x. Yeah. And if her marks increase by 50%, it will be this into 1 plus 0.5, right? So that will be her amount of score that she has gotten after review. So this is review and this was re-review. Okay, just so that you don't get confused. Anyway, so after review this will be her score. Yeah. And this is what, this is equals to passing score. There will be some passing score, that is passing score. Let us see. Okay, let us write it this way: passing score minus 35, right? Yeah. So what is passing score? First of all, 0.4x into 1. So let us write this in 1.5 only, right? 1.5, and this 35 you take it this way. So this 35 plus 35, that is equals to our passing score, right? Now what will be okay, so let us write this also. Let us write this also in better terms. So this will be equals to 0.6x plus 35. Yeah. So that is the passing score, right? All right. Now, so okay, what will be her scores after re-review if her marks increase by 20%? So her marks is right now what, 0. So here it was 0.66, right? Yeah, sorry. So her marks was here 0.66, right? And if her marks again increase by 20%, how much her marks will be? 0.6 into 1.2, right? Right? So this will be simply 0.72x, right? But what is being said, this 0.72x is passing score plus 7, right? Right? Yeah. So 0.72x plus 7, not plus 7, equals to passing score plus 7, right? So from this route we get that passing score is simply 0.72x minus 7, right? So there are two routes that we have formed. First is this route for the passing score. First is this route and second is this route, right? Second is this route. So passing score should be same, right? So yeah, so this number 0.6x minus 30, sorry, plus 35 should be equals to 0.72x minus 7, right? So this will result in 0.12x equals to 42, right? And from here we will find out that x is equal to 42 by 0.12. If we want to calculate this, this is simple. We will have to do it 12 into 100, right? So first of all, this gets cancelled by 6, right? And this 2 gets cancelled here. So it will be 350. Yeah. So that is the total marks, right? Because what we took as x, that is the total marks, right? Yeah. So now what was the passing score? 0.6x plus 35, right? If you remember, this was the passing score, right? 0.6x plus 35. So this by 350 into 100, that will be the percentage score needed for passing, right? So if you calculate this, this will be 0. Oh, x is also 350, right? So x is also 350. This by 350 plus 35 by 350, right? Into 100. So this will be 0.6 plus 0.1 into 100. That means 70%, right? So yeah, this option 1 is the right answer for us. Hopefully you like this video, and this is how you solve this problem. So for any problem there are three parts, right? First you read the problem well, you form the equations, and then you solve the equations. Yeah, so you followed all three steps here. Now hopefully you like this one. Drop a like if you did. Let me know in the comment section that what you would like to, what type of problems you would like me to solve, and what type of courses you would like me to prepare, right? That would be very helpful for me. And yeah, see you in a new video with a new problem. Thank you for watching this one.